Hello students, today I am going to explain you what is smelting process, where smelting process occurs, reactions taking place in blast furnace. So smelting is a pyrochemical process. Smelting is a pyrochemical process. Pyrochemical process means what? Pyrochemical process. Pyro means heat. Pyro means heat. Pyro means heat. So smelting is a pyrochemical process means this smelting process occurs at high temperature. Smelting occurs smelting process smelting occurs at higher temperature higher temperatures. Okay, higher temperature. This smelting process is carried out in blast furnace. Smelting process is carried out in blast furnace. Okay, blast furnace. Okay, through this smelting process, iron ore, iron, iron ore is purified. Iron ore is purified. Okay, the reactions taking place in blast furnace is very important for 10th class students. Now we are going to discuss reactions that are taking place in blast furnace. Okay, so first reaction is fuel. The which is the fuel used in blast furnace is carbon is the fuel used in blast furnace. Carbon means coke is used as fuel. Okay, you know what is fuel means the substance which gives energy or heat on burning is called fuel. Okay, so fuel burns in presence of oxygen and forms carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide gas will act as a reducing agent. This carbon monoxide gas combines with ore okay, it combines with ore, and the ore is reduced to metal. Okay, 3CO2. Fe2O3 plus 3CO gives rise to 2Fe plus 3CO2. So this is the metal we want. The iron metal is obtained in molten state because the temperature inside the blast furnace is very high. This CO2 gas is a waste gas and it is said to be flue gas. Okay, now we know that ore contains gang. To remove gang, we add another substance which is known as flux. Okay, what is the flux used in this smelting process is CaCO3. CaCO3 is the flux. CaCO3 will act as flux. Okay, this flux on heating splits into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. So this is flue gas, waste gas. Okay, this is CaCO3 which is flux combines with the gang. Which gang is present in iron ore? Silicon dioxide is the gang. Okay, gang means impurity associated with the ore is called gang. This flux combines with the gang to form a waste material called slag or scum. Okay, CaO plus SiO2, silicon dioxide. So the flux combines with the gang and forms CaSiO3. This is known as scum. This is known as scum or slag. This is known as scum or slag. So this scum is a waste material, waste material formed in the metallurgical process, waste material. Okay, this is also easily fusible material, fusible, easily fusible material. Easily fusible material means which has very low melting point. This can be easily removed from the, this can be easily removed using threads, using threads. Okay, these four are the reactions that takes place in blast furnace. So once again I am going to explain you. These are very important for 10th class students. Okay, first, coke, which is a fuel, combines with oxygen, okay, to form carbon monoxide gas. This carbon monoxide gas will act as a reducing agent, reducing agent, reducing agent. Okay, this carbon monoxide gas reduces this metal oxide, that is ore, into metal, into metal. This is the metal we want. So okay, the desired iron metal is obtained in molten state. Molten state means liquid state. So the, in this process CO2 gas is released. This is a waste gas, unwanted gas. This unwanted gas is called flue gas. Okay, we know that usually ore contains gang. Gang means waste material, that is unwanted impurities. Unwanted impurities is called gang. Okay, to remove gang we add one substance called flux. Okay, gang present in the iron ore is silicon dioxide. To remove this silicon dioxide we add flux. So when we add flux, due to higher heating in the blast furnace, first flux dissociates into calcium oxide and CO2, and this is a flue gas, waste gas. This is CaCO3, which is a flux, combines with impurity, that is SiO2, SiO2. Okay, SiO2 is gang here. Okay, impurity. This flux combines with the gang to form scum or slag. This is also a waste material. This scum can be easily removed. This scum can be easily removed. Okay, I hope you understand.